Well, greetings, Business 22 students. This is Mr. Doucette. This is week number 14 out of 16 here at Norco College for business or managerial communications. And just wanted to do a quick video once again, just giving you some announcements and going over the assignments for this week. And then, of course, looking at the next couple of weeks as we're getting ready to finish our class. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And here I am on the home page. We are in module number 3. We were since the end of October. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here to week number 14. Just to back up, of course, last week you had 2 weeks to complete the check-in assignment number 13, to do the quiz on chapter 11, quiz number 13 on chapter 11. And then, of course, we had our Zoom session on Tuesday, which I did record that, and it goes over and explains our group assignment. So if you scroll down to this week, I went ahead and moved it down here, final group assignment video. So if you don't know what we're doing in the group assignment, you want to watch that video. I think it's maybe 15-20 minutes long. Also here I explain the assignment. So that's the big question I think most students have right now is, what is this group assignment that we're going to be doing? And it's going to basically be a proposal that you're going to do as a group of 3. The groups are already formed, and when you watch this video, it'll explain to you how to get to your group. Basically, it's pretty simple, though. You just go to people over here on the left, and right up here at the top, once you get on that page, is final proposal. Once you select that, then you should see your group. I don't know what group you're in, but these are all the groups because I have all of them. And once you have your group, if you select the 3 little dots to the right of your group, it'll give you a group homepage, and you can kind of see that behind my picture. If you select that, it'll bring you to your group's homepage, and you can communicate with one another in there, share files, etc. So make sure that you access that and that you connect with your group this week. And I think I had last week to start the group assignment. What I meant by that is actually to connect with your group, but I went ahead and moved that down to this week. So make sure you get started, connect with your group, decide what assignment you're going to do, who's going to do what, and then begin to write it. You have basically this week, next week, and then the week of finals to finish it. It's going to be due the last day of class. And so make sure you get started on that. But basically this week we're covering chapter 12, which I think is on informal reports or informal proposals. Next week we'll be looking at the last chapter, which is actually, I think this week is reports, and next week is informal proposals, or formal and informal proposals. So yeah, you're going to be looking at proposals, business plan, and formal reports next week. And so this week you're just looking at informal proposals, or informal reports, excuse me. So that's what you'll be looking at. So make sure you do the check-in assignment on chapter 12, and that you do the quiz on chapter 12, and then that you get started on your final group writing assignment. And then next week you'll be doing your final check-in assignment, which is no questions on the textbook. It's just personal questions about the class. By the way, that's already open, so if you want to do that now, you can. And then you have your PowerPoint for chapter 13, a quiz for chapter 13, and then you're going to be continuing your final group assignment. And then the last week is your final exam, and then the group paper. Hopefully you'll have it done and submit it by then. So that's pretty much it for the remainder of the class. I might do one more video next week to kind of remind you, but that's it. We're wrapping up quickly. All your other writing assignments are done. All your other writing assignments, I think, are completed. Let's see. I think, yeah, we started this group writing assignment before Christmas, so there was no other writing assignment. So everything should be graded. The last thing I graded was your resume. And if you want any more pointers on that, or you want to go back and, by the way, if you want to go back and re-edit and look at my notes that I gave on your document, and you want to update it and then resubmit, you can do that for a higher grade. So if you're looking to make some extra points and you got some low scoring papers, go back and redo those and then resubmit them, and I'll give you a higher score if you've made the improvements per my instructions. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you all have a great week. Hopefully you all had a great Thanksgiving, and you're excited to be back to work, and you're going to wrap it up here quick.